Hi, I'm Maria from Charles Marlow, and today we are in Llucalcari. It's a beautifully located village just outside of Deia. The house itself is a complete renovation project. It needs to be restored throughout. It has a lot of possibilities. It's got planning permission to convert one of the rooms in the top floor into a roof terrace, which would give you incredible sea views. The kind of lifestyle that this house offers is pretty special. It gives you complete privacy, tranquility. You're in one of the most beautifully located parts of the island. You have Llucalcari beach within 5 minutes walking from the house. It's a wonderful walk in the middle of nature where you can enjoy the sea, the sun, all of the delights that the West Coast has to offer.